welcome back. In today's video, I will be answering this very important interview question that what is the difference between delete and truncate? Well, these are the two common terms that we often encounter in different SQL command. So how they are different, I will show you practically. So I am already connected in my account, and let me show you what table I have currently. Okay, I have got a project table, and let me insert couple of record for the project table. So here is my first record. Insert this. So let me copy it, let me paste it over here. Yes, the row got inserted. Let's go for the second one and paste it over here. Yes, both the record have been inserted successfully in the project table. Let me show you the current status. There are exactly two rows. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to set a save point. You remember the save point which I have talked in the last video? If not, please go and check the previous video. Save point, it's play a very important role. So I will be setting a save point, and this particular save point will do remember that in the table project I have got two tuples. This information will be kept within the save point, so that when I will be going for performing either delete or truncate, what effect we will be getting, that we will be seeing it practically. Okay, so remember, save point is a data transaction control language query, so it's very important. So already those two tuples has been saved in the table, and I have already set the save point. Now let's go and delete one record. So here is my command. So what I'm doing is I'm deleting a particular tuple where id is equals to 1. So delete from the project. This is the table name where id is equals to 1. So I pressed enter and one row got deleted. So let me show you the current status now. What is the instance scenario? Okay, the table name is called project, and it has just got only one row. Isn't it good? So after I have deleted with the where condition, it is left with just one row. So let's delete this particular record also, but this time I'm not going for any more condition because it makes no sense. You have got only one row in the table. So delete from project. Once I do that, the leftover record is now been deleted, and thereafter I have got no more record present in my table. So select star from project will show me that there is no record at this point of time present in the given table called project. And here your rollback is going to play an important role. Remember, the command which we have fired is a delete command. So what delete command will do? Well, delete command will give you the opportunity to recover back the record with the help of rollback if you have gone for save point. Let me read out this particular paragraph. The difference between delete and truncate. Using delete, a record can be restored using rollback. That's what I am going to show you. But when I will be doing the truncate, you will find that it is not recoverable. It is permanently deleted. Okay, we will see even that also. So roll back to the save point sp1. That is a command which I will fire you. Again, I'm telling you, if you have not seen the save point video, please get back and just check it out. The video will clearly tell you how to work with save point. So I'm recovering back all the tuples that were there the time when I have gone for sp1. I hit the enter, rollback gets completed, and now let's fire the select star from project. Few minutes ago we saw there was no row because both the row were deleted. I hit the enter. Wow, both row have been brought back by the help of rollback and save point, and this is only possible because you have gone for the delete command. But if you do exactly the same thing in context to truncate, unfortunately this is not going to happen in that case. Remember one thing, when you are firing the delete command, you have got both the option to go for a delete with a where condition or without where condition. But in case of truncate, you don't have that feature. When you will go for truncate, irrespective of any condition, it's just going to delete all the record. So specific record you cannot truncate. When you will be truncating a table, the entire instance that the table has got, everything will be removed and thereafter you will not be able to recover back any more record. Okay, so now let me show you that all the record has been brought back in the project table, as you can see over here, by virtue of rollback. So let me copy this one and let me paste it over here, and let's see. Oh, sorry, I think it was not copied properly, so let me copy it once more. Yes, and now I hit the enter. What will happen after this? The entire table has been truncated, so there is no record left inside the table called project. And if you try to roll back now, it will not work. Rather, it will show you a message that actually the save point was not established ever. That's what it will show you. Save point sp1 was never established. Okay, that's the reason why truncate will be fired only when you know very much that you don't want to get back the record. And that's the reason why in interview, when this question has been asked that what is different between delete and truncate, so these are the point which you need to say. So using delete, a record can be restored using rollback and save point, which you saw a few minutes ago, but truncate cannot restore back the data. It's a permanently deletion. Okay, that's one point. The second point is that if you're going for delete, you can use a where condition or you can use without where condition. You have that option. But if you are going for truncate, all the row that is there in the table, all the instance that is there in the table, everything will be deleted. So you don't have that option, you don't have that where condition, you won't be able to do that. Everything will be deleted. Okay, and so definitely the truncate will be much faster compared to delete, because over here you are not going for any kind of option, it's deleting everything. Last command, last difference which is there, but that point I am not yet covered up. Definitely in my upcoming videos I will be covering up about the database trigger. So when you're executing the delete statement with the database trigger will be fired, but in case of truncate the database trigger will not be fired. So we have to see first how the database trigger, cursor, the function, procedure, these are all the part of PL/SQL command of the database, which definitely I will be showing in my upcoming videos. So in this particular video, my entire focus was to show you the difference between delete and truncate. In the next video, I will be talking about what the drop command does and how the drop command is going to affect the schema of the table. Okay, so that's what going to come in my next video. So simply keep watching these videos. Thank you very much.
Hit like, share, subscribe, click on notification bell. If you want to join the course or want a free demo class online, get the registration link below inside the description box.